Hi everybody, it's Michael here. Got a Force 196. Got another, just a couple pack breaks, and I got a rack pack and some of these to open this time. MLB chips. Figured I'd check those out, show you guys what those like, see if you like them. I want to give a shout out real quick to Mojobreak or Mojobreaks. Got a mail day from him today. He got some hits I want to show you guys. Got this. Obviously, I pulled Tampa Bay in one of them. Got this Crusade. Jonathan Davis auto. Numbered to 199. Got that. Little B. Marshall. Numbered to 99. Got the Bears, another break. Tampa Bay, I got Levante David, numbered to 75. Quentin Patton, rookie card. No memorabilia there. That's numbered to 399. And Chandler Jones, rookie salute. Nice little signature on there by him. That's numbered to 99. And that's and also with when you get stuff from him, he doesn't send you just the hits. He sends you all everything. So I got all the base cards too, which is nice. My kids like playing with them, or if you like just having them. But it's nice that he sends out just the base cards too. So again, that's a shout out to Mojobreaks.com. Check him out. He's on Twitter. He does breaks often. Good guy. Alright, so we got here. We got Allen&Ginter rack pack we're going to check out. A couple prestige packs. I'm not a pack searcher, but me and my son did find some that were a little bit thicker, obviously. Thicker. A lot of these are dummy packs, so we're going to go check them out. See what we got. So here we go. This is a 2013 Prestige. We got base. A rookie Zach Dessert. Mike Williams, Darren McFadden. Those are all base there. I don't know if you guys have had any luck with these. These are all pretty much pack searched. I got these at my Target in my town. These are all thoroughly like pack searched, and which is, like I said, I'm not a pack searcher. But if that's what people want to do to get a memorabilia card, I guess that's what people have to do. But rookie Ryan Otten, little Russell Wilson, zero base. I'm fine. I can do it. Little Swelker. Here's a NFL passport, Tyler Wilson, rookie card. Those aren't numbered. Percy Harvin, Darrell, those are all base. Sean Lee, like him. Prestigious picks. DeAndre Hopkins. A little refractor. Eee. Card number 3. These aren't numbered though. All base. And the last one for Prestige. Like I said, this is just a short one today. Just a little something to put out there. I wanted to get some of these MLB chips, see what these look like. And it is like autographed glow-in-the-dark magnetic and relic chips. So Aaron Dobson tickets. Whoops, did you guys see that? So those aren't numbered either. There you go. Those are all base. Those are thicker packs, but no dummy packs in those. There's a lot of dummy packs in those. Let's open the Allen&Ginter rack pack. I've had a couple some luck with these. Not so much with their blaster boxes. I'm not really a fan of the blaster boxes as of late. Let's see what we get here. Jr., Brock, Soriano, Coco Crisp, Hill, a mini of Fowler, Ginter back Fowler. So that's our hit. It's our hit for this. Not really, but well, did get a hit in here. Beltray, Banks, Kuroda, these curious cases of whatever that is. We got a black, the guy in the home run derby. I can never say his name right. Spadis, a black one, black border, and a Spartan. Spartans. So not bad. Those are, I think, $4.99. Alright, so check these out. Let's see, you got 4 MLB chips, 1 team sticker, and a game board in these. Odds on getting parallel chip is gold 1 and 3, silver 1 and 3, magnetic chip 1 and 4, glow in the dark is 1 and 2, instant win 1 in 5,236, relic is 1 in 1,000, and autograph is 1 in 2,000-ish. So let's see what we got here. Alright, here's their little game board or whatever it is. I don't care about that. Here's a Pujols. Where's a Baseman? You can see a little poker chip. Those are not bad. Those are nice little chips. Ramirez, little Lexi, little White Sox. There's a Detroit. Looks like it peels off. Justin Verlander. Is that the sticker, maybe? Ooh. Know that? Whatever that is. That must be the sticker. Then there's Pedroia, Boston. So, there you go. There's your 4 chips from that one. We got 2 more of these. I don't plan on collecting these, or obviously I don't think these have like a real value, so I'm just looking at them just to see what the product looks like. Brian McCann. People say it looked like him. I don't really know. Atlanta catcher. Kimbrell. Oh, it's Atlanta Hot Pack. Craig Kimbrell. Rasmus. Is that a refractor one? Must be. Yeah. Ooh. See that? Shiny. And here's that must be the sticker. There we go. Pagan. Just get it back on there. It's not really a sticker, it's just kind of like one of those, I don't know, reusable type of sticker things. And the last pack, but not least in any way. Axford. Brewers pitcher. Papi. Big Papi. David Ortiz. Laurie, third baseman. Toronto. And the Rays. Who could it be? Come on. David Price. Look out. Alright. So those. These are, they feel like actual, like, coins you get at a, like a riverboat, or if you're in Vegas, if you're old enough. That's what it feels like. Those are about $1.99 a pack. And, that's about it. That was it today. Once again, if you want to, go check out Mojobreaks. Go check him out. See what he's all about. Had some decent luck there so far, and take care. I'll see you guys again soon.